At Sigmadaf, we design and manufacture packaged wastewater treatment plants that are ready to operate from the moment they are delivered. Our packaged plants are fully assembled and interconnected on skids for DAF systems and filter presses, or in stainless steel modules built in-house for MBR and MBBR systems. This approach significantly reduces installation time and cost while simplifying the commissioning process. The plug-and-play configuration minimizes unforeseen issues and cost overruns, ensuring strict adherence to deadlines and budgets. Before delivery, each unit undergoes rigorous factory acceptance testing to ensure flawless operation and avoid any unexpected issues on site. All our technologies can be delivered in plug-and-play format, including dissolved air flotation systems, CAF Systems, MBR and MBBR biological reactors, membrane filtration units, and filter presses for sludge dewatering. This broad technological offering allows us to build complete wastewater treatment plants that integrate all required processes into a compact, modular design. Decentralized wastewater treatment plants offer a flexible solution, ideal for industries and businesses with limited space, or for remote or hard-to-access areas such as mines, rural communities, isolated industrial facilities, temporary camps, resorts, golf courses, and hospitals. Thanks to their modularity, these systems can be easily scaled as production needs evolve, or relocated when treatment is temporary. At Sigmadaf, we bring together innovation, experience, and full in-house manufacturing to deliver turnkey, sustainable solutions that optimize the management of one of our most valuable resources, water.